So it's officially day one on the new Lucid Trading series, and I really just got straight to it. So the setup that I took, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna share my screen to show you all the stuff, but the setup I took was really, I really got late to the party. So originally, as you guys know, if you don't know, go back and watch the market outlook video for this week. I went over a couple trades that I was going to be looking to take right at open, setups that I wanted to see for the week, and one of those setups in particular was Nas 100, aka NQ. NQ played out beautiful. Like it literally gapped, it retested the close of the gap, and then it was a continuation downhill sell setup. Markets got straight to the point. So as of now, day one, as you can see, first one in day, 14.99, 100% consistency because it's only day one. Once I trade tomorrow, it would be different. But as you can see here, I thought it would show more. Like I thought I would be able to click here and see like all the trades I took and stuff, but maybe it isn't like as quick as Let me stop shaming them. But basically, maybe it's not as quick. Maybe it wait until the end of the day, aka like 5 o'clock or something, and then it's gonna update and show me like all the trades I took. But on the better side, I can actually come over here and show y'all on Trade C, and it'll show you the setups I took. So as you can see, I got late to the party. The original entry, and this is because I was Sundays I usually have like a bowling league I go to, so I wasn't even supposed to be on the charts today. I started setup, and I was like, all right, bet. So essentially, market gap, right? Beautiful retest to close the gap, and then after the retest, the trade that I gave y'all was around like 29,715, like AKA Daniel. Right? Look how sniper these CMAs on. Actually, it was like around this area, and I'm gonna show y'all on Trading View, but I'm just showing y'all right now like my entry. So basically, this was the original area where my entry is supposed to be at. TP1 and TP2 would literally smash off of this break. So after TP1 and TP2 smash, as you can see here, I had took a buy scalp. I was looking to see like, all right, I got a retest. This was the reversal, the start of the reversal. I knew it was gonna be like one more retest, and then I wanted to see the continuation back to the highs again. But instead, as you guys can see, I got cooked on the first trade. Held it just a little bit too long. Got cooked on here. After that, once again, still trying to buy. Still got cooked. So eventually, I'm like, you know what? I'm done looking for the buys. Stay with the trend. Stop trying to force the buys. Stop trying to time the reversals. And basically, what I told y'all on Sunday's analysis. Stop trying to be a hero. Don't try to be the one that try to time when the reversal is gonna happen. Even though I love taking reversal trades on Nas, when it's in trending days, when it's like Sunday on days that I know better anyway. Sundays are days where usually push and run to like set its like foundation for the week. Like where's our main support and where's gonna be our main highs. So with me knowing that, I should have just knew better anyway. Just wait for a downtrend push. But as you can see, eventually I learned my lesson. I caught on, and then I started going crazy with the sales. Started scalping the sales. I think this push right here, um, and then even on the account I was in drawdown like 1,000 or 1,200 something around there. And then this move right here helped me made my 1,200 bets. Trailing hit, take profit. And then there was a quick manipulation at 1 a.m. I said, oh yeah, this is obvious. And if you use my fibs, if you know, you know. Spot on analysis on the fib stretcher. Spot on. And then melted off. Took this one trade, a banger, 1,500. Well, as you can see, 14.99. But really it's 1,500. I just had my TP. I wanted to make sure I didn't go over. So I just had my TP set to like right above it. But as you can see, this candle right here, boom. And then, you know, it's so crazy. Like the setups that I was looking for over here, then during London, it finally came to play. Then that push, the retest, higher lows started forming. The setup that I was looking for over here finally came later on throughout the night during London session. So this still would have been like after this sell push here, I got that push, I got that retest, or even if I just entered here, I finally would have got that bull push that I want to see, because it eventually gave us I'm gonna come higher time frame so I can see it better, but it eventually gave us shouldn't this fall. It eventually just gave us this push all the way back to here. So this is the previous, actually not here, 160 points, and this was the previous last main lower high for Tokyo. Now let me come over here and show y'all on the charts over here. Uh, Let me hide my MAs. Well, that's the indicator. But the original entry that I called out for y'all, like I said, so y'all can see the same exact area. This is what I called on Sunday's analysis. 29,715. The stop loss was above the high. And then the TP1 targets was just 1200 and then 2500. So look, TP1 and then TP2, 2000 pips or 200 points. So like it was like this was the area where y'all saw my fault, where y'all saw over here. That's what this area was right here. But spot on. Like if I would have caught up here, yeah, it'd been over with. Really, if I really was on the chart, I wouldn't even. This would have been my second entry. My first entry would have been here. So my personal account, I caught it because I didn't care about like I look for swings anyway on the personal side, but like on my futures accounts, like on the preference, like what we doing here for day one, I didn't take the trade. I'm like, all right, I'm flight risking it on that one. Let me wait, make sure I'm back at my desk, back at my computer, where I can give it my undivided attention, and that's where I was able to take the sales and go crazy for the night during London, and then even here today during New York, um, market came right back to that same stretcher at 7, one last retest at 9, and then it melted off. Just spot on. Perfect. So that is officially day one.